So solutions allow businesses to give a better and more informed client experience in addition to cost-cutting options. Whatever the doubts the customer may have while seeing the demonstration videos, he can get it clarified with the help of the FAQs section. These web-based customer services are a very good way of keeping your customers happy and connected with your company. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session 4 of Unit 2, we will be having a discussion on web-based customer service. Now, what do we mean by web-based customer service? It means that you are making use of the internet, that is, the various social media, be it the email, then Facebook, Twitter, etc. So you make use of all the social media and try to give customer support service. So that is what we mean by the web-based services. Now, let us have an introduction to the web-based service here. So solutions allow businesses to give a better and more informed client experience in addition to cost-cutting options. So it is one of the best options to resort to is to have the web-based customer support service. So whenever any queries are received by the company through the Facebook or through the Twitter or through emails, it will be easier for the company to answer it in a very fast and immediate way, and they can also resolve the issues very fast with the help of the web-based customer support services. The experience, however, is contingent to the use of the appropriate web-based customer support technologies, and many organizations are successfully implementing them. Now, the most of the companies, they have come to know about the uses of having a web-based support system, as a result of which it is becoming more and more popular among all the business organizations. So web-based customer service. The following is the list of web-based customer service options that can help you offer 360-degree customer support. So they can have a overall customer support with the help of the web-based services. So first one is the social media. The social media can be the Facebook, the Twitter, the Instagram. So all these are various modes through which the company can have web-based customer support services. Then second one is the demonstration videos. So they can show the demonstration videos to the prospective customers. So as a result of which the customer will be in a better position to understand the product. So they can tell about the uses of the product, etc. So in this way, the customer will get interested in buying the product and he ultimately buys the product. Then the next one is the FAQs section. That is the frequently asked questions. So whatever the doubts the customer may have while seeing the demonstration videos, he can get it clarified with the help of the FAQs section. And then we have the email support. So this email support is very, very important. So with the help of the emails, you will be sending the mails to the various prospective customers. So you can have a customized email services. So as a result of which the customer will feel really important and he will get interested in whatever you are trying to offer. So these are the various web-based customer services. Then first, let us understand what do we mean by the social media. Platforms like Facebook and Twitter are no longer used for pleasure or chatting with friends. Now we can see that the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc., they are becoming more and more a marketing promotion tool in the hands of most of the companies. Proactive businesses have discovered that a considerable proportion of clients and the potential customers spend the majority of their time on various social media sites and are more willing to engage there. So most of the people, they are engaged in these social media sites and their opinion also matters. So lakhs of people will be viewing the customers' previews about the product, as a result of which if there is a negative preview about the product, it may be damaging to the company. So the company has to take swift action. So they have to keep monitoring these social media, and if there is any negative comment on the company or on the product, so it will be essential for the company to take swift action. So in this way, they can see that the other customers can know that the company is taking very good action against any negative comment, as a result of which they will be having more confidence in such a company. Then the next one is demonstration videos and tutorials. The bulk of the internet has lately noticed as having been taken over by the videos. It's simple. Visual content is easier to understand. Videos are an excellent method to communicate with your customer. So with the help of videos, you will be able to demonstrate the uses of the product, and also so with the help of the videos, you can have a better understanding with the customer. You may take video content relating to your product or service, such as a brief demo, to engage more audience and give better assistance to your consumers. Then the next one is the FAQs section. The majority of the clients have a few queries in common. An FAQ section on a company's website is a terrific way to address those commonly asked questions for all clients on a single platform. So the FAQ section will be a very good way in which you can reach out to the customer. So any doubts relating to the product, they can be asked in this FAQs section. Doing so will also allow you to illustrate those questions in greater depth, saving you time from having to demonstrate the same queries repeatedly. So if you can have this FAQ section, so you will be able to just clear all the doubts whatever the customer has regarding your product or the service. Then next we have the email support. To support customers, to make customers feel appreciated, you should customize your replies. A small gestures like using the client's name instead of the formal Mr. or Mrs. in your email may make a big difference in how the customer perceives the value of your communication. So email support means whenever you're sending mails to the customer, you just call them by their name itself. Instead of having a formal Mr. or Mrs., you can just call them by their personal name. So in this way, you will be having a one-to-one personal relationship with the customer. Then benefits of web-based customer service. So what are the benefits here? There are no more long lines, customer satisfaction is improved, overall efficiency is improved, and we have the conclusion. So in this, it is no longer a secret that web-based customer services are more efficient, cost-effective, and time-saving a way of keeping your customers happy and connected with your company. So these web-based customer services are a very good way of keeping your customers happy and connected with your company. You will be able to serve your consumers better if you use several online channels and improve your image across multiple digital platforms. We have provided ideas on how you may use the internet to provide your customer service a competitive advantage and expand your client base. So with the help of the web-based support system, you will be able to give a competitive edge and to your customer support base, and also you can expand your customer base. There are no more long lines. So this is one of the advantages. One of the significant advantages of using web-based support is that there will be no long queues of customers waiting to speak with your representatives. So you need not have the customers waiting in long queues to speak to your representatives. So this web-based support system, it takes care of everything. When clients may pick from a variety of online channels, there will be lesser traffic over a single medium, reducing the overwhelming feeling and allowing reps to serve more efficiently. So if we cannot have a contact with the sales rep over the telephone, then he can always have an email, or he can use the Facebook, or he can use the Twitter, or he can use the Instagram. So there are various social media channels through which he can see that he reaches the consumer. So in this way, you can reduce the long lines for any complaints or any queries by the customer. Then customer satisfaction is improved. Customers will have no reason to be disappointed when they no longer have to wait in lines and can obtain prompt replies via any channel they choose. So they need not have to wait in lines and they can obtain prompt replies via any channel they choose. Customer service's primary goal is to make customers happy with your business. Precisely what skilled web-based customer service can help you with. So this customer support services, they can help you give maximum customer satisfaction to the customer, because so you will be just immediately replying to their queries and any issues relating to the customer can be resolved within a limited span of time. Then overall efficiency is improved. One of the many advantages of web-based customer service is it saves time. When reps have many channels to connect with clients, the task may be efficiently separated and they will have more freedom to respond in a more timely manner. So customers will no longer have to wait in lines or to be moved from one call to another. So when reps have many channels to connect with the clients, the task may be efficiently separated. So if it is a technical issue, it will be handled by the technical department and they'll take care of the issue. So if it is other than the technical issue, then the concerned department will take it up and they will be resolving the issues. So in this way, the issues will be resolved faster, and as a result of which the customer is not made to stand in long queues in order to resolve any of the issues he has with the company. Then, for the conclusion part, it's no longer a secret that web-based customer service is more efficient, cost-effective, and time-saving way of keeping your customers happy and connected with your company. So this is one good way of just keeping the customers happy and connected with the company, because it is one way in which you will be able to handle a very wide range of customers. So many customers will be interested in just giving their queries, or they will be having lot of FAQs or doubts about the product. So they can use any one of these channels and make their doubts cleared. So it is one way in which you can have a far-reaching effect. That is, you can reach the masses at the same time. So you need not invest more money on the software, etc. So it's already readily available. The customers will be making use of it always. Then second one, it is very cost effective. So whatever the customer is putting his opinion, it will be recorded in that particular social media, as a result of which the company, if it keeps a tab on the social media, they will be able to know what is the customer's complaint and how the issues can be resolved. Then time saving. So it is time saving both for the company and to the customer. So for the company, if they can keep one staff to keep a tab on the comments given by the customers, so that's more than enough. So he will be keeping a tab on the customers' comments, and whatever the issues are there, that will be referred to that particular department. So in this way, the company will be saving time. Secondly, the customer also will be saving time, because he need not wait in long queues in order to talk to the sales representative, because his complaint would have already been registered in the company's website. So you will be able to serve your customers better if you use several online and improve your image across the multiple digital platforms. So we can make use of the multiple digital platforms, and we can see that the customer access is there. So we have provided ideas on how you may use the internet to provide your customer service a competitive advantage and expand your client base. So with the help of all these web-based support system, we can have greater connectivity, greater customer satisfaction, and also greater sales in the long run. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.